Excitation contraction coupling. Within excitation contraction coupling, we have the motor neuron, where action potential moves from the cell body to the axon terminal. We then go down to one axon terminal, where the action potential moves down. Within the axon terminal, we have vesicles that contain acetylcholine, also known as ACH. Calcium ions move into the terminal through voltage-gated channels, which they allow the release of the vesicles to the muscle. ACH is then released through exocytosis. ACH then binds to the ACH receptors, which then allows the ACH receptors to move apart so sodium ions can go through. We now go down to the T-tubules, where the action potential moves down as well. And we have a signal that signals the calcium ions in the sarcoplasmic reticulum to leave. We then have the thin filaments and the thick filaments. As we can see, the red is the thin filaments and the purple is the thick filaments. Within the thin filaments, we have actin. Actin has tropomyosin, which is the green, and troponin, which are the blue. We then go down to the thick filaments, where the thick filaments, myosin, contain myosin heads. The calcium then binds to the troponin, which moves the tropomyosin out of the way. So now, the calcium and the troponin can bind to the myosin heads. This forms the cross bridge, which is an overlay of thin and thick filaments. After the cross bridge is formed, the contraction cycle begins. That is excitation contraction coupling.